All right, guys, so in this video, I'm going to break down a quick trading broker called Pocket Option, right? Is it a scam? No. Is it legal? Yes. Okay, I'm going to give you just all the information that you need about this first, and then I'm going to show you kind of a basic strategy of how to get started and how to use Pocket Option. First off, how to familiarize yourself with what it is, how to use it, and there's also a link in the description of this video so that you can actually start using Pocket Option yourself, right? Whether you want to use a demo account or a real account. And basically what Pocket Option is a broker. It's a binary options broker, okay? Pocket Option. Our mission is to provide the most innovative trading experience, right? Pocket Option was founded in 2017 by a team of talented IT and fintech specialists who wanted to prove that people don't need to compromise to earn on financial markets, that trading should be accessible, convenient, and more fun. Today, we continue to develop, improve, and constantly innovate trading experience. We do believe that trading should be available to anyone in the world, right? Why choose us? We started as a small company by a handful of customers. We were new, our services were not as polished and as popular as today. But by the end of 2017, we had more than 100,000 active users, more than 500 million in trading turnover, more than 95 countries and regions, and the average trader income per month out of everybody who is part of this is $850 a month. Now, you can make a lot more than that. In fact, you can make $850 in a day with this, right? Or in a couple of trades, right? You can also make a lot less if you blow your account and you don't know how to use binary options. But that's why you're here, because I'm going to show you the broker, and I'm also going to kind of give you a crash course on binary options so that you're not lost, right, when you first get into doing it. What's the deal? Why would anybody want to do this? Because you can make money from home. You can make money from your car. You can make money from your phone. You can make money no matter where you are in the world if you learn this skill, right? It can totally change your life. It can totally take away the need to be tied down to some job, working for the man. You can work for yourself. You can learn how to trade. You can be your own boss, and you can make a lot of money with binary options, right? That's why I'm excited about showing you what this is, and I'm excited about teaching you how to do this, right? How we work with our clients. Client satisfaction has been our top priority since the very beginning. We aim not only to provide excellent customer support, but also on listening to clients' feedback carefully. Many wonderful ideas were inspired by our customers, by the traders, for the traders. That's from Victor, the head of Pocket Option Customer Support, right? There's some documents here. If you guys want to check out all of the documents, just click the link in my description and you can read the documents for yourself. You can also check out the timeline. Let's talk about what Pocket Option believes. Let's talk about the core values real quick. Driving innovations. We stand on a constant pursuit of perfection. The introduction of new cutting-edge features and setting trends makes us the industry leaders. Customer loyalty, enabling clients to become high-performance traders and creating long-term relationships by being responsive and relevant and by consistently delivering top-notch service. Truly social. We believe in the community. It drives us, it inspires us. Comfort and truly social interaction among our customers is our top priority. Sustainability. Attracting, developing, and retaining the best talent for our project, challenging our people, demonstrating a can-do attitude, and fostering a collaborative and supportive environment. Integrity. Personal integrity and legal compliance are essential to our operation as a global enterprise. We're committed to international policies and practices that benefit our company and its clients. Shared success. Our mission is to bring easy and accessible trading to customers worldwide, making possible the benefit from financial markets anytime and anywhere, right? It's also been in the news on all of these different areas. You're welcome to check that out by clicking the link in my description. Okay, now let's get into what the broker really looks like and how to use it. All right, so when you first get in, this is what your Pocket Option screen is going to look like, okay? Now, that's all to the good. Let me go over a couple things with you. This is the amount that you're risking, on any given trade. This is the time frame that you're using for any given trade. Right now I've got it set on 30 seconds. If you click higher, what you're saying is that the price is going to go higher, and at the end of the 30 seconds, it will finish higher. If you win that trade, you get $92, right? See, I've got my amount as $100. If I win the trade, I'm going to make $92 in profit. But if it doesn't go higher, I'm going to lose the full $100. That's what binary option is all about. Now, let me show you how to kind of set up your first binary option strategy. And I call this the fire your boss strategy. Okay, so let's go ahead and crack into it right now. We're going to go up here, and instead of having these lines, we're going to go to this icon here, click it, and we're going to change these to candles. Boom. Now, instead of the 1 minute candle, I'm going to click S30, which stands for 30 seconds. So now each one of these candles represents a 30-second time frame. The next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to go to this button here, which shows the indicators that are available from Pocket Option. And we're going to click on Bollinger Bands. All right? Boom. We now have the Bollinger Band indicator. Okay? You see how this is going kind of side to side? It's going up, down, up, down, up, down, side to side. That's not what we're looking for the fire your boss strategy. We're looking for a serious trend. Now, we found here a nice downward trend. You see how it's just moving down? It starts up here and it's moving down. All right, we're going to go ahead and put in a trade for $100. Boom. So I click on lower, just estimating that the trend is going to continue to go down. Now, it's got 30 seconds. Right now, I'm in profit. Okay, and as long as the trend continues to go down, I will profit from that trade. Now, what if it does pull up? What if it goes out? That's fine. I'm just going to change this to $200. And if we fail the trade, we're just going to put a $200 trade in right after the $100 fails. So, boom, the $100 trade failed. I'm going to get in immediately for another $200 trade. And now I'm going to change my amount to $600. That way, if the $200 trade fails, I'll be able to put in immediately a trade for $600 based on the fact that everything is going down. This trend is going down. It's pushing down. Our Bollinger Band shows us that. We can see that it's going down. And so we're going to go in for a $600 trade now. All right, so the $600 trade went through. That means we lost the $100, we lost the $200, but we won the $600, and we got a profit of $552. So we're going to minus the 200, that's 352, minus the 100, that's 252, for a total profit in that run of $252. Let's do that again, right? We'll start with $100, boom, lower trade. $100 lower, 30 seconds, 30-second candles, Bollinger Bands. The trend is moving down, so we're going to go for another $100, and we're going to change it up to $200 in case the $100 doesn't work out. Boom, we get in for the $200 as soon as we lose the $100 and we queue up our $600. Boom, we just won the $200 trade right here. So we lost the $100 trade here, but we made the $200 trade for a profit of $184, meaning a total profit of $84, because we made our $100 back, plus we made $84. Let's go again. $100 going down. Boom, and we won the $100 trade. Let's go again. $100 going down. Each one of these trades is 30 seconds, ladies and gentlemen, and we are making a crap ton of money right now. I'm going to queue up my $200 trade in case my 100 doesn't go through. That way, if the 100 doesn't go through, I go right in for a 200 right after that. And all we're doing is we're riding this downtrend all the way down. 2, 1, Boom! And we have won the other $100 trade. Guess what we're gonna do? The trend is still trending, and I'm gonna go again. Put in another $100 trade, moving in the downward direction. I've been trading for not even 5 minutes, and I have just made a large amount of money, ladies and gentlemen, and we are still riding it all the way down. 100, 200, 600, 1800, rinse and repeat, ride the trend and make money. That didn't work out, but guess what? I'm just going to put in a $200 shot. Boom, heading in the downward direction. And it paid, and paid. And I just made $604 in about 5 minutes time. Do you see the power of this?